after the salute. One hand is at the danjun, the dantian in Chinese, and the other is at the taizong. As I shift back, my palms open, and I sink to the stance that we call the rooted stance. The whole purpose is to move throughout this form without muscle volition, to unify the body so that everything happens by itself. Which means, as I turn, my palm drops. But then as I turn back, my palms come up by themselves. They come up by themselves as a function of my weights rotating, like so. Here, gravity lets them fall. I pull back here. It's like reeling silk. Lift up on one foot. Sink. Twist to elbow. Open. One, back fist. Two, left cross. Three. And then the signature movement of Kuk Sool, the Kamachigi. Round. Round. Up. Follow the outside meridian of the arm. Exhale as both palms turn down.